welcome back. So, ayan guys, welcome dito sa aming Vlogmas Day 3. Ayan, sa mga nanood sa Vlogmas Day 1 and Vlogmas Day 2, maraming salamat. So, ngayon ay Vlogmas Day 3. Ayan, so maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. So, finally guys, ito na yung pinaka-iintay talaga natin na mag-decorate para sa Christmas Day. Ayan. So, ngayon, ayan, kung nakita nyo to guys, ito yung tinanggal ko sa full decoration. So, ngayon ay ilalagay ko siya dito. Ayan, maliit na Christmas tree. Ilalagay ko lang yung light. Tapos, mamaya pag uwi ng mga anak ko, sila na yung magde-decorate ng kanilang, sila na yung maglalagay ng ornaments dito. Kasi ito talaga yung pinalalagyan ko sa kanila ng ornaments. And then, ito, ayan guys. So, dito ko ilalagay yung isang light. So, hindi ko alam kung gagana pa yung battery. But I think kailangan ko siyang palitan ng, ito pala yung unahin ko muna. Try natin yung light kung gagana pa ba. Ayun, gumagana pa guys. Ayan oh. Ayan. So, yung mga anak ko na ang magde-decorate niyan mamaya. Ayan, tulad nito, ito yung galing kay Santa. Nung pumunta kami sa park. So, ilalagay na natin yan siya dyan. So, gagana pa yung battery. Very good. Then, ito naman. So, pag summer guys, ganito lang yan siya. Nilalagay ko pa rin siya sa wall. Pero, tinatanggal ko na yung light after New Year. So, ngayon, ilalagay lang natin yung light. So, try natin kung gagana pa yung light niya. Ayan. Ayun, gagana pa siya, guys. O, diba? Ito, guys, dito ko ta siya ilalagay. Isindihan natin sandali. So, ganyan siya, guys. So, ito yung TV stand na andoon. Pero, nilipat ko na siya dito kasi nga, nilagay ko yung fireplace doon. Ginagamit ko lang yung fireplace pag Christmas. Ayan. So, ganito yung ano niya. And then, pag winter naman, nililipat ko siya dito. And then, yung fireplace doon. Tapos, mamaya, i-decorate din natin yung Christmas tree. And then, ito, sa wall ito ilalagay. Dito ko siya ilalagay. So, ang cute ng ilaw. Ayan. Dito nakalagay yung ibang decorations. Ayan. So, ito sa window. So, ito guys ay ilalagay ko yan siya doon sa window. So, dalawa ito. Ayan. So, ilalagay ko na yan siya ngayon. Ayan. Ayan siya. Iba't ibang shape ito guys. Ayan. Ayan siya yung mga shape niya. Kukuha lang ako ng stick ladder para nalagay natin sa window. So, naka-on na yung light niya pero hindi masyadong makita. So, mamaya na lang pag madilim na sa labas. Ngayon kasi masyadong maliwanag. Pero, ayan siya, oh. So, mamaya na lang ulit. So, ito naman doon sa kabila, guys. So, maliwanag sa labas kaya hindi makita yung kanyang light. Hi there, kuya. So, ayan guys, nandito na silang dalawa. So, ayan guys, dumating na silang dalawa. Hindi pa ako tapos mag-decorate. Kasi nakalimutan ko na kailangan ko pala mag-order ng boots nila. Ayan, kasi soon magkakasnow na ng marami. So, namimili muna ako guys. Ayan, may napili na ako.
I don't even know what it is.
$90! Ayan guys, yung isa, 30.99. And then yung isa na size 4 para kay Nathan, 29.99. Tapos, dahil kailangan ko mag-order, dahil gusto ko, ayan, mag-order din ako ng kanilang Christmas pajamas. Ayan. So, dalawa. Mura na yan siya, guys. $14. So, dalawa din yung ko. So, lahat-lahat, $90. O, diba, boots lang at saka pajama, umabot na agad ng $90. Ang mahal. So, marami rin sana akong gusto, pero ika-cancel ko na lang. Kasi boots na lang at saka pajamas, umabot na siya ng $90. So, i-order ko na siya ngayon. Mahal kasi yung mga ngayon guys, kasi wala nang tapos na yung Black Friday. Gusto ko sana mag-order last nung Black Friday kasi maraming nakasale sa online. Kaso lang, walang trabaho yung asawa ko. Hindi ko alam kung umabot siya ng 2 buwan na wala siyang trabaho. Ngayon, nakabalik na siya. First week niya this week. So, makapag-order ako kasi kailangan din ng mga bata. So, ayun. May gusto din ako, pero ika-cancel ko na lang yung akin. Hindi na baling wala ako. Basta yung anak ko meron. Kasi kailangan din talaga nila ng boots, guys. So, $90 lahat ng in-order ko ngayon. Dahil may tax pa siya. Umabot siya ng $98.24. Estimated tax to be collected, $7.28. So, almost $100 siya. Oh, grabe talaga. Mga mahal talaga yung ngayon, guys. Ayan. So, darating siya Sunday, December 8. So, may 4 ako na stockings dito, guys. Ito yung ilalagay ko sa fireplace. Ayan. And then, ito yung skirt ng Christmas tree. Ayan siya.
What's that, Mom? That's what we put on the tree.
Yeah. Nalagay ko na yung stockings. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko ito ilalagay, guys. So, ito pala, may ornaments na siya. Guys, ilalagay ko to sa fireplace. So, ito yung nilagay ko dati na ornaments. Hindi ko na siya tinanggal kasi para ilalagay ko na lang siya ngayon. So, madali lang. Ayan, may mga ornaments na siya. So, ganito siya pagkalagay. Ayan, papakita ko sa inyo, guys. Kasi hindi ko siya tinanggal kasi plano ko this year. Hindi ko na siya lalagyan. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Ayan, pinaikot ko lang siya. And then, with ornaments na yan, ready na siya ilagay sa fireplace. Ayan, ilagay natin siya doon. Ayan, kasi nakalagay na yung stockings. So, ayan guys, madali lang siya.
Presents in there.
Yeah.
I don't know if he will. And candy cane.
Okay.
And these are stockings. You can put a video up,
Yes,
Mom.
sis.
You can
Yeah.
use
Say hi.
Hi. These 4 socks are called stockings. And these are ornaments.
You like it?
Yeah.
Ayan. So, wala pa yan siyang lights, guys. Lalagyan din natin to ng lights.
And these are like fake plants.
You like it?
Yeah, and look at this one. I see myself on it.
I know. Shush.
I see you on it.
So, ayan guys, nalagyan na natin ng garland at saka stocking yung fireplace. Ngayon naman ay lagyan natin siya ng lights.
Close.
Mas maganda kasi pag may lights. Ayan siya. Say hi!
Hi, I know how to put the ornaments on a Christmas tree.
Really?
Yeah.
You're gonna help mommy?
Yeah.
Where's my hug? Love, love.
But I will do the E.
Ayan yung mga Christmas ornaments.
Because there's a global
So, ayan.
in the box.
Ito yung mga ornaments. So, Tara,
The box. Yeah.
let's mag-decorate na tayo.
Oh, Vincent.
Can I put it there?
We're going. Wait, how about we put it at all of the prices on the Christmas tree? And spread them out. That's the whole point. Will you put lights on it?
Yeah, we're gonna turn it on later.
Because if they're very close to each other, they look like it's cool. Wait, how about I put one over here? No, that's too close. How about one over here? At the very top. If they're touching each other, they shouldn't be there. So maybe right here. Like that.
We almost done.
I'm trying to figure out something.
Be careful.
Because I don't want the same color all right next to each other.
Sila na yung nag-decorate.
Ooh,
Ooh, be careful.
yeah, but I just found there's not too many ornaments at the top.
I know. So, I think we are done.
That's pretty fast.
And si Clinton naghanap ng movie.
Which one? That's Kevin's house. That's Kevin. And my computer I fixed called named Kevin. I think his name's Kevin. Yeah, Kevin. He must.
So, ayun guys, tapos na kami mag-decorate sa Christmas tree at saka sa fireplace. At tapos na rin nila yung maliit na Christmas tree.
Mom,
Ayan.
Mom.
So, ngayon ay i-turn na natin yung light.
Hi guys.
Okay, so ayan guys, may sasabihin daw si Clint.
So I got we have an elf in our classroom. It supposedly moves around at night, and then every day it gets gifts for people and gives us all Christmas books. And I got an I Spy Christmas. And also, this is what it put in all of our, so like at school, this is what the class elf fits put in all of our cubbies, which is where we keep all of our stuff. And this is his handwriting. Not too bad. And I found this on the back of one of them. So that's why I kind of want. So that's why I want an elf too. But also I just wanted it from what I heard about what it can do. And well, I'm done.
So now we are done. And now we are going to turn on the light. No. We are going to turn on the light. Ayan, medyo madilim na guys. So turn on na natin ang Christmas tree. Okay, turn it on, kuya. Wow.
And then also I can adjust the setting and turn it to this.
Yep. Very nice. Okay.
That's weird.
Yeah.
I have to throw it up in the air to activate it.
Mm-hmm.
Look.
Yay! Merry Christmas! Yay! Finally, we are done. And si Glento.
It wasn't even more than 60 minutes. It's this. No. It's Christmas! It's Christmas!
Kulit ng dalawa.
So that way is still okay. No, we're not taking them away. What if we take them out of the seat? Wait, what if we don't, wait, we're gonna see tomorrow instead of before we, wait, yeah, it helps sense when the humans awake at night.
And fire! So, alam nyo guys, munti ko na makalimutan yung hapunan namin. Kasi, what time is it, kuya? It's 4:45.
No, wait. That was 5:04.
Oh, boy! Munti ko na makalimutan. Buti na lang nagtanong siya kung ano yung hapunan. Wala sa isip ko yung magluto ng hapunan. So, ngayon, galing pa sa freezer yung may salmon kami sa freezer. So, yun yung nilabas ko. Binabad ko muna siya sa tubig. Tapos, nagsasaing na rin ako. So, wala yung daddy nila ngayon. Kaya, pag wala yung daddy nila, salmon yung niluluto namin or chicken. Guys, nilagay ko na to sa wall kanina. Tapos, tinanggal ko siya ulit kasi gusto ko, linagyan ko siya ng consitas. Kasi last year, nilagay ko to sa Christmas tree. Ngayon, hindi ko siya nilagyan. Para malagay ko siya sa ibang decoration. So, lalagyan ko siya ng 4 siguro.
Nathan, Molly, let's do some Connect 4.
Yeah. So, ayan, 4 lang siguro.
Are we doing it like this? Yep, yeah, we'll do it like that. I used your strategy at school. What? It worked.
So, ayan siya.
Yeah, but I discovered to make it even more powerful. Yep, I was. But you blocked it. So then if I go here...
Salmon for dinner. Dinner.
At school, I saw a picture of it.
Okay. How about you, Kuya? What book you are reading?
From the top.
Oh, okay. Ang gulo ng ano nila, oh. Another work pa ito nag-iintay. Just choose a book, Nate.
I'm choosing this one.
Night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.